like to speak about Mazunde. I do really love Mazunde and I do really vibrate with the vibrations here, as it is for me one of the magical places all over from Mexico. Mexico is by itself big magic, like surrealistic part of the land, but some places in Mexico they are especially like kind of the portals to another world. So one of them is Mazunde for me. Nature in Mazunde is great and the impact from it is huge. Very, very healing. Yes, we are human beings coming from the nature. We don't need anything more to become in our power. Just be surrounded by the nature, wild nature, which speaks to you, the sun, the water, which is in Mazunde. It's incredible. I feel that it's been processing a lot once I arrived. The same-minded people in the same vibration level, they are just gathering in Mazunde because, this is one of the portals, as I said, and we feel the energy, and we know that we are changing collectively something as we are healing ourselves by each other of ourselves. Then we are healing as well the rest, the collective. So it's pretty fun. It's kind of like I feel like it's it's very sacred place to me. It's kind of like a Tibet, or Nepal. Really, I feel that I want to spend more than just visit. So I'm looking for places. I'm very excited. Just come over and feel it with us. Everyone is welcome.